Hello my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and today is Valentine's Day and I got my beb something for today, and it was very hard for me to sneak around kasi tumatawag siya and I've been trying not to answer his call because I've been doing some planning for him for today. And also, this afternoon, I told the girls in the office na I want to get my lunch break a little too late para makakuha ako ng mga kailangan ko for my surprise for Gil. And yun nga, the only thing is he was asking for me to go on a lunch date with him. And unfortunately for him, I declined kasi nga may plano ako para sa kanya. So I don't know how he felt about that na nag-decline ako ng lunch date, but I'm so sorry, babe. I'm doing all of this for you for today. I want to surprise you, and you know that I love you so much. And yun, I was able to get everything that I want and I needed for this little surprise. And then ang problema ko naman after that is I need to come home earlier na hindi siya mauna dito sa bahay. So I was already having some anxiety, I'm having panic attacks, my hands are sweaty, ninenervyos ako. And my girls in the office told me to just come home early para ma-make sure na makauwi ako ng maaga. And so I did. And yun, na-achieve ko naman yung oras na gusto ko, and naayos ko yung gift ko for him. And I also gave Mother Dear a bouquet of flowers. And I also have something for Marley, of course. It's Valentine's Day here in our home. Kaya ayun, so I was able to get him these. And he's been calling me right now and I've been ignoring his calls. Medyo naasar na siya. So it's okay, Beb. This is all for you. I know you're mad right now. I know you're pissed. But hopefully, mawala yang inis mo mamaya when you come home to my little surprise for you. Yan. So, I notice a lot of people, especially women, are expecting to feel special today. They're expecting for their man, their guy, their boyfriends, their husbands to give them something and to do something special for them today. And I just need to remind you guys that this is also for them. This day is not just for women, but also for men as well, because they make you feel special. That means they are special as well, and they deserve the treat and the surprises as well. So that's what I did. And hopefully, you guys make your partners feel special as well for today and love them. Yun din. So, ayun. I told Beb that I don't need anything, I don't want anything for today because I already have him, and that's a fact. I'm happy, I'm satisfied, I'm grateful to have him every day, and that's more than enough for me, not just for today. But for me, I want to give some appreciation for him for everything that he did and he's been doing for me. Kaya ginawa ko tong surprise na to, and hopefully he likes it. So we'll see.
Oh!
Happy Valentine's Day, babe!
Ayun ako, may ka-Valentine's ka na naman. Lalasingin mo ako, ha? Balak ka, ha?
Like it.
Balot ka ba, ha? Ang Happy Valentine's ko. Alam mo, ikaw lang, ha?
Ah! Wow!
Para sa office mo.
Yay!
Again.
Thank you. Wow! I have something too. Ah.
Ano ba, magpa-party tayo na yan? I hope you like my simple...
Yes. I did not expect that. You have this one too. Because
Yun natin.
very colorful because you put colors in my life.
Naks yun.
Turing!
Buksan mo na yung bugol para na yun.
I like that. Yeah, I got you this one. Ah, tingnan.
I know. Titingnan ko na. Happy Hearts Day.
Sulat yan sa baba. Sulat yan.
Alam mo naman ako na makakita. You are my everything. Jesus. You are my love. You are my happiness. I love you. Good go. Oh, na-shortcut na. You are my adventure. You are my ray of hope. Wala niya.
Oh, you too. I hope ma-surprise ka.
Asar na nga. Comic ka date na yan. Ay, may ka-Valentine's Day pa. Ako dito. Iisip ko ano nila.
And this is for Marley.
Thank you. Next na natin.
Okay, Marley.
Oh, kasi mali, hindi ko nabilan. Ang problema, saan natin ilalagay itong flowers mo?
See that one for Marley. Hindi, si Marley. Nako, wala lasing si Marley. See what I got, Marley. Something for Marley too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love you. Bigay na yan kay Marley.